Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this digital inclinometer from Parkside, the model PNM 2B1. Measured values optionally in degrees, percent, millimeter meter or inch feet. 3 years warranty with batteries included at the box. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual. 3A battery, the battery compartment, error, that is not the correct position. We have the LCD display, the hold button, magnetic base, here, mode button, on-off button. The backlight of the LCD display stays on for 30 seconds if no movement detected or button pressed, and it will automatically switch off after 3 minutes. Place it on the table saw blade with the magnetic base facing on flat and smooth surface. Now it is on degrees, and as I'm moving we can see it's changing. "90 degrees. I think it's very accurate. And you can change mode, percentage, millimeter meter. I think this area it doesn't have a good alignment. And we have the inch feet. You can press the button and it will hold. Press and resume again. You can measure angles in woodworking. If you have a table saw blade, it is the tool you need to get the right angle, at a cost of only €10. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.